how much has changed.
So this week's vlog is going to take place over a couple days because so much is going on this week, and I want to try and get it all in for you. Look at the progress we're making. They have connected the new shop where we're currently in with the last section of the new shop. They've framed out the final window, which completes the rest of the new shop. They have put up this entire wall. They're also starting to lay all the plumbing inside the new service drive. They've installed the sewer drains. So for reference, that is for the new service drive and customer lounge. This is the new shop. Shop. Service drive. All right. That's the end of the vlog. Awesome.